Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic HomeHawk floor camera, surveillance camera, either a KX-HNC850 or HNC55, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this camera not connecting to your Wi-Fi, or if it's not syncing or pairing with your app or anything like that, seems to be not responding or not detected, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is if you're just trying to set this camera up as a brand new camera somewhere on a new network and you just want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box. It's really easy to do. All we need to do is plug in the camera, make sure it's turned on, wait about a minute, and it should beep saying that it's all ready to go. And once we have that, you're going to come in and you're going to find this reset button right here. It says reset on it, and you may need a paper clip to get in there, or on some of the models you actually don't need a paper clip, you can just press it with your finger, but it's right there anyways, and you're going to press and hold that reset button for about 5 seconds. Basically, you're going to press and hold it until the camera beeps, and that's going to indicate that the reset has begun. Once that happens, then you can just wait. You can release the button and just wait until the camera's LED light turns yellow, and that means that the reset is done, and then you can go ahead and just set your camera up like a brand new camera.